found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me.
Ça va? Elle avait dit ça va être le petit mouton les semaines.
We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Oh, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you say
Madame Tiffany Morgane Chevalier, consentez-vous à prendre pour époux Monsieur Pierre Alexis Dufour?
Oui.
Ici présent. Monsieur Pierre Alexis Dufour, consentez-vous à prendre pour épouse Madame Tiffany Morgane Chevalier, ici présente?
Oui.
Au nom de la loi, nous déclarons que vous êtes unis par le mariage.
one I know. She shares my dreams. I hope someday I'll share her home. I found the love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you were perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person. She looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look to be young and in love in New York City, to not know who I am but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me, to be drunk and in love in New York City, midnight into morning coffee, burning through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when better when I like me better when I'm with you.
And I can't sweep you off of your feet. Will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheek?
Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about